Can a Milwaukee cordless drill really power a lawnmower? Today, I'm going to find out. My son recently moved out and came up with a strange idea. He wanted an electric lawnmower, but instead of buying one, he suggested using a drill as the motor. Then he did something even better. He challenged me to build it for him. So today, I'm turning this old worn-out manual push mower into something completely different. It's already barely usable, and to make things worse, one of the wheels keeps falling off. But the plan is simple. Take a powerful Milwaukee drill and see if we can bring this thing back to life as a working electric mower. And at the end, I'm surprising my son with the result. Let's get started.
This is absolutely amazing.
Alright, we're almost finished building the lawnmower. This bicycle brake lever is going to be the throttle. I'm attaching the brake cable to the trigger on the Milwaukee drill and locking it in place with a wire connector so I can control the speed from the handle. I also asked my son not to mow his lawn and let the grass grow, so we can really put this Milwaukee drill-powered mower to the test. But before I drive over to surprise him, let's make sure everything works. The throttle feels great. Now let's try second gear. What do you think? Is this actually going to cut grass, or is it going to be a complete disaster? Let me know your guess in the comments before we head over to my son's house. Let's find out. Everything seems to be working perfectly. Now there's only one thing left to do. Let's see how it handles my son's long grass. Wow, look at that. It's actually cutting the grass incredibly well. My son did mention that if I'd built this on a newer mower, it would be even better since these blades are pretty worn out. But honestly, we are both absolutely blown away. It is so much easier to push now. If you've ever used one of these old manual push mowers, you know the struggle. They take so much effort, especially in long grass, sometimes it feels downright impossible. But with that Milwaukee drill doing all the heavy lifting, there's almost zero resistance. It's amazing. The only thing my son has to get used to is the throttle. As you can see, his golden retriever puppy loves running in and out all day, so he prefers to collect the grass instead of leaving it on the lawn. But if he gives it too much throttle, boom, the grass shoots right over the grass catcher. So it's just a matter of finding that sweet spot.
This is absolutely amazing.
But after a few minutes, my son decides to forget all about the perfect speed and just go full throttle. Now you can really see how powerful this Milwaukee drill is. Look at it go. That is insane. And check out the final result. A beautiful, freshly cut lawn. Not bad for an old manual mower, powered by a Milwaukee drill, right? It almost looks like a golf course. So, what's my honest opinion? This project turned out even better than I ever expected. Milwaukee, if you're watching this, maybe it's time to build a lawnmower, because this drill has more than enough power to get the job done. If you love this build, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. And if you want to see more crazy DIY projects like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.